Hi, my name is Nicolette Ward. Most people call me Nikki. I'm a relationship and couples counselor. I love helping individuals and couples from all walks of life deal with relationship issues, restoring balance and connection with their centers of love, their partners, their friends, their family. I'm a Gottman Marriage Therapist and a PACT Therapist. PACT stands for Psychobiological Approach to Couples Counselling. Both these approaches offer powerful ways to jumpstart your relationship revamp and create new opportunities for connection. So when you come to see me, we table the issues at play, and together we explore the problems, the pain points, and the patterns that work against our relationships. Sometimes there are issues at play that we are not even aware of. These may include unconscious patterns and communication issues, health issues, or simply long-term habits that are now a blind spot. So when needs are not being met, this can leave us feeling angry and resentful, or if we are giving too much in a relationship, we may also feel entitled. So this can leave us feeling anxious or depressed. And in counseling, we create an open and supportive place to open that space for some of our most difficult conversations to occur, and to have these gently facilitated so that we can rebalance giving and taking, resolving issues so that you can move forward, enjoy and build a quality connection. So let's look forward to finding the answers together, healing attachment injury. And if you're not entirely sure that couples counseling is for you, or that as an individual that is for you, please feel free to take advantage of the free 15-minute telephone call. You can schedule this in through the Book Now Book Now button, and you can also just simply book and pay for an introductory session, and we can go from there. So I would love to hear from you. I have after hours and flexible appointments, so if you can't find the appointment that you would like in my schedule, simply send me a text via SMS on my phone number, and I will see what I can do for you. So I look forward to hearing from you. And also, if you want to show your partner or tell others about my service, I have a Meet Your Therapist brochure that you can download from the bookings page on my website. So that's all there for you. If there's anything else I can do to help, simply email me at info@nicoletteward.com.au. Thank you so much, and hopefully I get to meet you soon. Bye for now.